Hey all, welcome back to my channel Cook with Gayathri Raj. I'm going to make Modak today. For this, first we'll prepare rice flour Modak. Let's see how to prepare the dough first. In a pan, I'm adding 2 cups of water, half tablespoon of unflavored oil, half teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of rice flour. The ratio should be 1 is to 2. 1 cup of rice flour and 2 cups of water. Everything I am keeping on stove and I'm making it. After adding the flour, keep the flame in low and mix well. After 1 or 2 minutes, the dough will become thick and rest the dough for 30 minutes. Next, I am going to prepare Ragi Modak. Let's see how to prepare the dough. In a pan, I am adding 2 cups of water, half tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, rice flour half cup and ragi flour half cup. Mix everything together. Keep it in low flame and mix it. Mix everything together. When you are adding the flour, the water should be boiling hot. Now I am adding some oil. Mix everything together. See, it is not sticky. I am going to rest the dough for 30 minutes. See how to prepare the filling. First, I am going to make coconut filling. In a pan, I am adding ghee 1 tablespoon, grated coconut. Saute well for half minute. Now I am adding jaggery. Mix everything together. Keep it in low flame. The jaggery will start melting. Now I am adding cardamom powder. Mix everything together. Now coconut filling is ready. Next I am going to prepare groundnut filling. In a mixie jar I have taken roasted peanut, half cup of jaggery powder. Grind it. Now the groundnut filling is ready. Let's see how to mold the modak. First, I am applying oil on a silicone mat, adding the rice flour dough. It is still warm. Knead it well for 2 to 3 minutes. Do this step when the dough is warm. Now the dough is ready. It should not stick in your hand. Now I am keeping in a pan and closing the lid. The main important thing is it should be covered. The dough should not get dry. Now first step I'll show you how to prepare it from hand. I'm taking a lemon size ball. Grease it with some ghee or oil. This is one method of molding the modak. I'm keeping the groundnut filling inside and sealing the edges. Now, one method of molding is ready. Second one, this is the Modak press which I have purchased from online. I'm taking a small lemon size ball, greasing the mold. One side is done and second side I'm keeping the filling. Now Modak is ready. Next I'm going to do Ragi Modak. In a silicone mat I have added the Ragi Modak dough. Same like rice flour modak, I'm kneading it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now the dough is ready, and this time I'm using different mold. Apply some oil on the mold. Again I'm taking lemon sized dough and filling the mold and put a hole inside to keep the filling. This time I'm using coconut filling. Fill it till it goes inside. Now I'm covering it with dough again, releasing the dough from mold. Now Ragi Modak mold is ready. Now let's see how to steam it. In a pan I'm adding water. First layer I'm keeping rice flour modak. Today I'm using Momo maker to keep this. Second layer I'm keeping Ragi Modak. Steam it for 7 minutes at medium flame. After 7 minutes, Modak is ready. This Modak will be soft for 6 to 7 hours, but you should make sure the dough should not get dry. Let's see how is it. See the softness of the dough. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy making these festival dishes with me. Be sure to try them out this Ganesh Chaturthi and share the joy with your loved ones. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and subscribe to Cook with Gayathri Raj for more delicious recipes. Wishing you all a very happy and prosperous Ganesh Chaturthi. See you in the next video.